Hi, this is Zoe. Welcome to my channel.
Today I would like to introduce you to the white blank bags. White blank bags are versatile and practical packaging solutions for various purposes. They have three key features that make them popular. 1. Simple and clean. The white color exudes a clean and minimalist aesthetic, making these bags suitable for any occasion. 2. Customizable. White blank bags can be easily personalized with logos, text, or artwork. This allows businesses to showcase their brand identity or promotional messages effectively. 3. Durable and reliable. Made from high-quality materials, these bags are sturdy and reliable, ensuring that they can safely carry and protect items.
If you want to know more details, please follow us or check website. See you next time.